we're going to talk about Cisco networks and ICND1, the CCENT exam. I want to start with something else. I want to show you one question. Does it make any sense to get a job in IT, and especially, does it make any sense to become a network engineer? Please check your screen. You can earn 50-60K a year as a network engineer. That is for the USA, but still it does not really matter where you are. It is a great job. As a senior network engineer, you can double this salary. It's not bad, isn't it? But there is one thing that you really need to have. You need a Cisco certificate. It is extremely important. I can tell you that even if you're not going to work with Cisco devices, you need a Cisco certificate. You have to be CCENT or CCNA certified if you want to work as a network engineer. Of course, we're going to talk about Cisco devices, but we're going to cover a lot of things that talk about networks in general. For instance, the OSI model or DHCP. It does not really matter where you go, you can find a DHCP server. And if you are CCENT certified, it means that you know how this server works. My goal for this training is, of course, to show you how to pass this exam. That's pretty obvious, but I want to show you a lot of real-world examples as well. I want to make sure that you're ready when you get a Cisco router or switch. You're ready to set it up and you will be okay when something goes wrong. I prepared a lot of slides for you and network diagrams. I will give you access to all these slides. It means that you can download everything and then go through all slides, definitions, diagrams, everything that you really need to know when you think about your Cisco career and the ICND1 exam. Now I want to show you certificates and paths that are available when you decide to go for a Cisco exam, because it's not only CCENT, CCNA, there are some additional things that you need to know, and we'll talk about it in our next lecture.